By waking up early, you will make your day more meaningful, more beautiful, and lighter. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the How To series. There are a lot of studies which correlates between waking up early and success. And there are hundreds of benefits of waking early, as we all know about it. But most importantly, there is a strong scientific reason behind it. So as per the research done by the International Journal of Yoga and Allied Sciences, the pre-dawn period has a higher amount of nascent oxygen in the atmosphere, which if mixed with our hemoglobin, produces something called as an oxyhemoglobin, which is responsible for improving our immune system, balancing our pH and reducing stress, etc. This pre-dawn period is usually 1 to 2 hours before the sunrise, and this is also called as Satvik hour or Brahma Muhurt in the yogic sciences. Now, most importantly, how do we get to this habit of getting up early? Now, let me give you a couple of simple tips which can help to get there. Firstly, start slowly. Do not make any drastic changes. For example, if you're a 7 a.m. person, don't try to become a 5 a.m. person overnight, because that might have a demoralizing effect on you. So take or wake up at least 15-20 minutes before your actual schedule and continue that for a few weeks. And then again do the same thing for another few weeks. So this way it would be more effective and successful for you. Secondly, keep your alarm clock far from your bed, which means that you have to get up to switch off the alarm. And once you get up, don't give your mind too much time to rationalize. Don't think too much. Just move out of the bedroom as soon as possible. Go to the balcony, kitchen, washroom, somewhere away from the bedroom so that the ambience completely changes. That way, the likelihood of you coming back to the bed is much lower. Thirdly, have a strong reason or purpose to get up, because if you don't have one, it would become difficult for you to get up early. What do you love doing? Schedule that particular activity early in the morning. I would recommend that any self-care activity can be scheduled which you really like, because there's nothing important than just taking care of yourself. And lastly, allow yourself to go to bed earlier. Now, a mere thought that you have to wake up early will prompt you to go to bed earlier. And that way you will avoid a lot of these unwanted activities like watching TV late night, surfing your phone, mobile, internet, etc. So you can avoid that. Now the question remains, do you really need those couple of hours in the morning? Because we might be thinking that we are doing a fairly good job without those hours. By waking up early, you will make your day more meaningful, more beautiful, and lighter. And more importantly, it also reduces the stress in us, because it eliminates the need of rushing through the day, as it gives us time to plan for that particular day in the morning. So rise and shine. Thank you.